Hello guys, I hope you're well. I'm coming from my morning run. I didn't take my phone with me. Yeah, so this is almost 6 o'clock. I woke up a bit earlier today. I usually go out at 6, but today, yay, I went out at 6. Let's spend the morning together. Oh my god, the monkey is sneezing. So yeah, let's do this morning. On this day, I tried to make some sausage rolls. Guys, tell me, what are you making for your kids in their lunch boxes, especially those who are less than 5 years? Because I have a very picky eater, so sometimes you might make something really, really nice, and then she comes back without eating it. Some days she can become fixated with one type of food, maybe just one sandwich, and she would want it for 2 weeks in a row, and then suddenly she stops liking it. I don't even know how to deal with this lunchbox situation, honestly. So guys, let's see in the comments and help a mom out. Good morning guys. So now I'm done bathing, and the sausage rolls I was making, they're done. Now I want to wake up this girl and bath her. Yeah, these days she's eating her breakfast at school. They give them some cornflakes, so I think today she's gonna eat at school. Since I was on time this day, I decided to make pancakes on the side. Yeah, I wanted to throw in one or half a pancake also in her lunchbox. Maybe she was gonna enjoy it better than the sausage roll that I made. But mainly these pancakes were for me and my husband to eat later on. So yeah, I just decided to while up time doing this as I wait for the transport. So tell me guys, when you make things like pancakes or when you bake, maybe do you have a specific recipe that you follow, or you just add up things as the Holy Spirit leads, and then you just see with the outcome, and maybe if that day it tastes better, now maybe you're gonna jot down what you've put in. Yeah, because especially with me, the pancakes, I don't know how many times I've done some trials and errors until I found my best recipe that really works for me. So yeah. When I was done with the bedroom, I went to clean the few dishes that I used in the morning for baking and all that stuff. Guys, I think this is one of my toxic traits. Tell me if I'm not toxic. You see, ndapedza kusuka, I washed my sink and I left it so clean. If it was my daughter, she would say it's sparkly. After this, I don't want to eat, guys, because I don't even want to mess it up. I just want it to stay the whole day as clean as it is. I would rather starve than do something that will spoil my kitchen.